I got Chris DeMello with us. We're going to be going over this Yellowstone today.
This is the Yellowstone. This is the smallest line.
Wait a minute. Didn't they have a TV show about this?
I believe so, but we're not talking that one.
Oh, okay, okay.
But this is a great price point here, coming in at $8,000.
$8,000 for a sawmill? Come on.
So
Seriously?
that's the beauty of this guy here. You can get up to 13-foot length log and a 24-inch diameter log.
That's a pretty good size
piece. You can still produce great things. You get your 12-foot board. That's plenty of length for that hobbyist that is trying to reach that price point. But same things go into this one as into the bigger ones. We still have our helpers, our cheaters here. Everything's fully welded. So even this on the low line here, we still get the great options as the Green Monster and Big Red get. So nothing is left out, even on the little guy.
These are all welded cross members too.
That's right. No bolt on here. Everything stays sturdy and strong through the life of
for that low price. You can go cut your own wood for your chicken coop.
Yeah, and we come down now. We have a 9-horsepower Honda. Still plenty of power for what this machine wants to do, but still all the bells and whistles on this price point. We might lose the electronic height management, but it comes to winch, which is just as efficient, just a little bit more. That's our water cooled. Say the same thing for our blade, keeping that cooled through there. And this one even comes with a log winch, so you can drag that on.
So in case you don't want to buy one of those Matavik log trailers and you want to be able to drag it
for that hobbyist who might not have all the equipment in their backyard like some of us want to have.
If you need that equipment, we can help you out, right, Chris?
That's right down here in beautiful Morrisville, Vermont. You have a great day here playing in the sun, which we don't get that often, so we're happy to be out here. We're happy to run it anytime for you guys. See how it works. Call us anytime.